we're at my house. It's a 3-bedroom apartment in a low-rise building. Today we're looking for the coolest thing in the house. I'm a professional hula hooper, which means I go around town teaching people how to hoop. I teach kids how to hoop with little hoops like these, and I teach grown-ups how to hoop with big hoops like these. Here I have a mini trombone. It's really a slide trumpet. You want to hear something? This is the penguin. It makes fizzy water. I like fizzy water, but I have a lot of guilt about consuming all the bottles associated with fizzy water. This is the best part right here. I like to play. I like to take objects and make them something more than they are. And so the PlayStation is where I keep all my toys. So this is the Toro Flux. It's like a Slinky, but turned inside out. These are flags. So they're nice to do in the summer because they are like air conditioning. But the coolest thing in the house is over here. There's hoops in the back room that I used to teach people and that I share, but this is my personal stash. And it grew a lot when I started using multiple hoops. People will hire me for festivals, for cabaret shows. So when I perform, sometimes I'll use sparkly hoops. And also I would use the fire hoops. They're the most popular thing for weddings, keeping the passion burning. My glow hoops are probably my favorite to use. When you're in the dark, they leave these beautiful trails. You can get drug-free visuals whenever you want. It's something that's magical and sexy, but also very familiar to everyone in the audience. And these are the coolest things in my house. People stare a lot when you hula hoop.